Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own fruit smoothie. The simple ingredients that we're going to use today, you're going to need a blender of some sorts, some fruit. I'm going to use pineapple, a banana. We're going to use some yogurt, some OJ, and protein powder. Let's get going. So the first thing I like to do is put the banana in. So break it in half, peel the banana, put it in. Next thing that we're gonna do is take some of the fruit, and you can pick it out as much as you need. And yes, I did wash my hands before this. All right, so we got some fruit in there. And then next, we're gonna use yogurt. Yogurt that's not flavored is gonna have less sugar. This is vanilla, and I'm not too worried about the added sugar that's in it. And we're just gonna put just a little bit of some, here we go. Get in there. Almost there. Getting in, okay, that's some yogurt. All right, our next thing that we're gonna put in our fruit smoothie is orange juice. So orange juice and the pineapple are really high in vitamin C, and so it's really gonna help for that cellular repair after you work out. And so as it floats down to the bottom, there you go, cool. And I always like to put the protein powder last. So, the reason last is because you're basically, in this standpoint, we're gonna flip it over to mix it all up. So here we go. There we go, at the top. So I got my blender thing. All right, put that on top, screw it down. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, nice and tight. And there you have it. Pineapple, OJ, yogurt, a banana, and some good old protein powder. So I hope that helps you make your own protein shake. You can use whatever fruit you want, and just start simple and go from there. Have a good day.